Fa Dreams Media timakunyadilani kwambiri chifukwa munapanga chisankho chotsatira ife kuti tizikupatsirani zonse zomwe zikuchitika m'dziko muno.
Yes, it was the Mobile University, which is university, the Chileka Airport. They were one project. That's how they were designed. So go to Chileka Airport, go to Chileka Airport, and Mobile University with one financier. Then that was the physical window. Command of Chimenya was fortunate at Grisana, the rate, Yanda Maija. Also, the China, I shoot from 0.5% to 1.5% for Saboisa. Now, good one, I can if these people have moved from, they have departed from the initial arrangement, then when you see it, the message numbers are so cheaper.
Oh, and a better government.
Yeah, the Boma. So, the Minister of Finance was in the process of identifying cheaper money. Then something happens, China will go, it's easy. I can defy you. MCP has done nothing. Has done nothing. About it, September, Agunam, Sekula Maliji, Agunam, Pakapan, or Musunda Kulipakus. I think I'm a contract of an attack. None of them was better in advance. So people of Sim and people of the North have been deceived by this government. Yes. That's why you go to Makosana Fuso. What a president, Muna Pusa Jambi. I'm a sure of Sokano. Zaguti, go to see it is better. So,
Bwana chifo cha ntaro unakuti pano sanga yankule panopo tili pali mafumu amene ti atenge akalonjerana nawo maboma chifo choti nthawi yatha ndikuti galimotoyo abwana sakwera amoya panopo nkongofuna kuti akabile tikayankhule pachi mafumu athu sikudza kuti ashali athu Mahove mutithandize
alipo awiri
Mahove mutithandize kulemba mafumu athu utaona amene nditu ndiye mutithandize kulemba mafumu kuti amene pamene mojika sidi akabene nawo
town yeah, but now commitment towards this project maybe she can just your commitment towards completing this project, the Mbelwa University project. What's the new commitment now from TDP?
The new commitment is that and you can see here at Mbelwa University, you can see all these structures. The roads were bridges, electricity. What was left were the actual academic buildings, which the now government has done nothing. As soon as the government was into government, APM will start working.
But there was also little progress during the TPP administration. It was the project, the foundation stone was laid by the professor himself in 2015, and there was little progress as well during the TPP administration. What assurance is there that this time around you're going to complete it?
The first the first agreement by the people that were going to, the government that was going to fund, they changed the agreement. So the government, that agreement was broken and they were looking for new financiers. So in the process of identifying another financier, that's when DPP went out of government. But they were at the verge of a breakthrough, which by this time, this university would have been operational.
Mina machidule chitsimikizwa njani jotani kuti mukaliwaso mboma project imene ya Mbelwa University pamene
chitsimikizo chilipo kunena kuti university imalizika chifukwa zambiri zinachitokakale misewu inapangika pali ma bridge 8 amene anamangidwa madzi anabwera kale magetsi anabwera kale chimene chinangotsalira ndikunena kuti manyumba mabuilding amaphunziro ndi zina zilizonse apangike.
Yeah, let's go, man.
tikuyamikeni komanso kukuthokozani popanga chisankho chokhala pamenepa kumvetsera komanso kuonera zomwe takubweretserani. Chomwe tingakupempheni choti ngati mulalendo pamudzi pano tapangani subscribe, chifukwa mukatero inu ndife tidzendera limodzi kuyambira lero mpaka na masiku omwe akubwera kusogoloko. Timabweratu ndi nkhani zochokera ngodya zonse zinayi za mdziko lino, kotero kuti inu simukuyenera kuti mukhale kunja kwa nkhani zimenezi. Tapangani subscribe, like, comment komanso share kuti tikhale limodzi mu ulendo umenewu.